Hello there, my name is Chance, and I'm one of the leasing consultants here at the Julian Apartments in Columbus, Ohio. Today we're going to be looking at our G Loft. Come along. The G Loft is our corner, 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom floor plan. It opens into a welcome area leading to a bathroom. The bathroom has 2 doors, one connecting to the master bedroom and one connecting to the welcome area. You will have a stand-up shower and granite countertops. Then making your way into the living room, you will notice the 14 feet ceilings and 12 feet windows, allowing lots of natural light in. The kitchen will be equipped with all stainless steel appliances, as well as mahogany cabinets and granite countertops. A granite island will also be included. Entering the master bedroom, you will still have lots of natural light. The bedroom can fit a king-size comfortable with a medium-sized dresser. The bathroom from before will also be connected to the bedroom. Off to the side of the welcome area will be a second bedroom with a sliding barn door. This bedroom can also fit a king bed with a dresser. This unit will come equipped with a stackable washer and dryer. Thanks for touring the G Loft with us. If you'd like to see any additional floor plans, we will have videos uploaded, as well as our website linked down below. Have a great day!